Hello, today we'll be discussing TOA's F-Series of wide disbursement speakers that are sold in 4, 5, and 8-inch cone woofer sizes and can be placed for both indoor and outdoor use. Hi, my name is Joanne from the Customer Service Department at TOA Canada, and thank you for joining me today. Let me tell you about the key features of these versatile speakers. The F-Series has an option 70-volt, 8-ohm model. The F-Series speaker line is compact, highly efficient two-way speaker. It comes in 3 models, the F1000, which contains a 4-inch woofer. Then we have an F1300 with a 5-inch woofer. Finally, we have the F2000 with an 8-inch woofer, varying wattage output depending on model. The speaker offers push-in terminals to allow quick connections. In the F2000 model, octagonal horn accessory provides smoother, more controlled dispersion sound coverage, available in outdoor and indoor models. There is a wide variety of accessory brackets to set the speaker just the way you want it for the application you need. For more flexibility, the F2000 model allows you to adjust the high-frequency dispersion. The F-Series speaker casing comes with a design that is highly stylish, so it can blend well into a room's decor and can be attractively installed with multiple mounting configurations. TOA's F-Series is an excellent all-purpose speaker that can be used in various conditions and be set with a wide range of mounting brackets to ensure the system is positioned to perform at its best. For more information on this product or other TOA products, please visit our website at toacanada.com.